Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Fahmida Channa, lecturer Zoology from Govt Girls Degree College, Moro. Dear students, today I am going to deliver a lecture about excretion in different animals from a second year class. Contents of today's lecture: excretion, nitrogenous waste in different animals, excretion in plain area, excretion in earthworm, and in the last, excretion in cockroach. Hi students, let's move to start excretion. The process in which elimination of waste products from body is known as excretion, or removal of nitrogen waste from an animal's body, that is known as excretion. Now the nitrogen waste in a different animals, ammonia, it is a small gaseous molecule and it's a very soluble, highly soluble in water and highly toxic. Ammonia is a waste product of aquatic animals like fishes, etc. Urea is a less soluble in water. Urea is a less toxic than ammonia. Urea is excretory product of terrestrial animals such as elephant, man, etc. Now the uric acid. Uric acid less toxic than urea and ammonia. Uric acid is a waste product of birds and insects. Excretion in a different animals. Now let's start. Excretion start from a hydra, from simplest organisms to complex. Now the excretion in hydra. In hydra, no special excretory organ is present. Excretory product of hydra is ammonia because hydra is aquatic animal. Ammonia is removed by diffusion from internal and external body surface of. Now let's move to start excretion in plain area. This figure shows the excretory organs of plain area. These are the phlegm cells or the excretory pores. These are known as what? Protonephridia also. Excretory system of plain area consists of two strands of branching excretory tubules that open to outside of the body through excretory pores. Located along the tubules are bulb-like phlegm cells, each of which contain a cluster of beating cilia that look like a flickering flame under microscope. The beating of phlegm cell cilia propel hypertonic fluid through the excretory canal and out of the body. Water along with ammonia diffuse from the tissue fluid into the lumen of phlegm cells. This fluid is excreted out by the excretory pores, it means protonephridia, in the form of urine after reabsorption of useful substance during passage of fluid. Now let's start excretion in earthworm. In earthworm, excretory organ is metanephridia. Nephridia here in this figure shows the nephridium. Here this one is a nephridium of earthworm. In earthworm, excretory organ is metanephridia. Nephridia, it is a Greek word, nephros, it means kidney. Nephridia arranged segmentally, each segment is nephridia. Internal opening of metanephridia called nephrostome, and external pore or opening of that nephridia is known as nephridiopore. In metanephridia, some excretory substances are added, useful substances are reabsorbed, and urine finally stored in bladder from where it is excreted out from the body. Let's move to start excretion in cockroach now. Excretory system of cockroach is consisting of Malpighian tubules. Malpighian tubules are arising from junction of midgut and hindgut. Here in this figure is also showing this. These are the Malpighian tubules. These are very thin, delicate thread-like structure. These are the Malpighian tubule and they help in excretion in cockroach and insects. Excretory product along with some useful substances are entered in the Malpighian tubules. Useful substance become reabsorbed and a uric acid is a discharge in a rectum where is passed out along with the feces. Dear students, I hope you understand very well today's lecture about excretion in a different animals. Please share your feedback and comments. Thanks to all.